Morning traders. Going to cover TLRY again because it ran about 50% again yesterday. This is a 5-day chart, 30-minute chart. This was yesterday. I covered it yesterday. Then it went up again, down, then back up again. So let's look at some options. Bar chart doesn't cover anything above 42. So I'm going to have to go to the broker site. And we'll see here, this is the 65 call. Day before, it could have got it about $50, went up to about $1,400 for a 2,700% gain. If you would have tried to trade this yesterday on the bottom, you could have got it near 300, and it closed at 990 for a 230% gain. Since I covered it yesterday, I'm going to just update that call. That was a $39 call. If we look at 39 for yesterday, looks like last was 25.25, which means it's $2,525. And 2 days ago, you could have gotten that call for about $39. So from 39, it went, well, actually, $39 call was $35. It went up to $850 yesterday. Well, 2 days ago, and yesterday went up to $2,500 for about a 7,000% gain in 2 days. Well, that's it for now. Keep your eye on TLRY. Usually moves like that don't last more than 2-3 days. And if you look at this chart, it's already at the upper end of the second Bollinger Band, which means this is the 2 standard deviations, and this is the 3 standard deviations right here. So that's why it's coming back. It's still going strong. You see volume here too. Still going strong. So we'll see. If you look at the daily chart, look at the volume's still spiking. So this is a cannabis stock. So if you want, Google cannabis stocks. And this is one of the leaders right now. So good luck, and I'll talk to you soon.